Good evening, candidates. Saha only has come. Saha, these are the questions that were answered yesterday from 3
Okay,
to
sir.
this thing. Um,
Good
did
evening,
you,
sir.
good evening, good evening. Did you go through those questions
Yes, sir,
afterward?
from 51 to 100.
Acha, good, very good. You are ready now?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Good. Please take your notebook and put numbers as it comes here,
Sir,
and then
sorry, sir, I am just taking my tea. So can you please wait for 5 minutes?
no problem. No problem. Absolutely no problem. You can come after
Okay.
5 minutes. In the
Okay, sir.
meantime, I will play some video of our class.
Okay, sir. Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Of questions asked in IBPS PO 2024, that is on November 30. I am giving you these questions for Karnataka Bank and also for IDBI Bank. We can expect 2 or 3 questions out of these to be repeated. Question 1: what is the prize money for Booker Prize? Answer: €50,000. Question 2: who is the director of Oscar entry film Lapata Ladies from India? Kiran Rao. Number 3: what is the minimum net owned fund requirement for NBFC? Answer: 10 crore. What was the penalty imposed on the recent NBFC Ashirwad Archan New Navi DMI in October? Navi FinServe, Ashirwad Microfinance, Arogan Financial Services, and DMI Finance. Then number 5, what is the maximum limit of UPI 123 and UPI Life Wallet? Maximum limit for UPI 123, 10,000 per transaction. Maximum limit for UPI Life Wallet rupees 5,000. What is the investment limit for F and O future and options according to SEBI? Answer: rupees 7,500 crore or 15% of the total open interest in the market, whichever is higher. Earlier it was 500 crores or 15% of the open interest in the market. Number 7, what is the paid up capital requirement of NBFC? As per RBI, it is 5 crore. What is the common equity tier 1 ratio limit by RBI? Reserve Bank of India requires banks to maintain minimum common equity tier 1 ratio of 8%. What is the capital adequacy ratio required for urban cooperative banks? 9%. Which small finance bank recently merged with small North Small Finance Bank? It is given a slice. I don't know what is the full expansion. Number 11. What is the maximum interest rate for Sukanya Samriddhi 8.2? In which year ISRO's orbital Venus mission is expected to be launched? 2028. Which bank has partnered for technology implementation rural areas? NPST, India's leading listed fintech, providing banking and payment technology solutions, announced it has secured orders from Kerala Gramin Bank and Karnataka Gramin Bank for its banking super app. Which bank recently opened a branch in Singapore? ICICI Bank. Which Australian university has opened a campus in Gift City? This question, ICICI Bank, I am Doubtful because in some other places I see HDFC Bank. So that is the thing. Because here in the material that I got, it was ICICI. But when I searched it in Google, it is telling HDFC Bank. Australia University of Wollongong. 16. What is the target of Small Finance Bank PSL? As per recent guidelines, 75% of total credit. Which bank is associated with Lakpati Didi scheme? State Bank of India. Which list is India's biodiversity conservation in the top 5 countries for according this? The answer is not given. Number 19, who won 2024 Asian Women's Handball Championship held in Bihar? Answer is India. What is ISRO's Pushpak mission related to? Even that the answer is given. Which 12 PSB banks recorded highest profit? Answer SBI. What is the maximum loan limit for SC/ST individuals under the TREDS scheme? Answer 10 lakhs. Then what what is the CRAR set for urban cooperative banks? Urban cooperative banks shall achieve CRAR at least 10% by March 31, 2024, 11% by 2025, 12% by 2026. Which company manufactures Vande Bharat train integral coach factory Perambur? What does LIDAR R stand? Light detection and ranging. What is the minimum CRAR set up by RBI for banks? For private sector banks, 9%. What is the current market capitalization? GEM, Government E-Marketplace. As of 10th February, GEM, Indian rupees 3.50 lakh crores order value. Current financial GM has already crossed 1.5 lakhs crore order value. What is the minimum holding period of KYC compliance? I think they are asking about say for highly risk KYC 2 years, then medium 8 years, then less risk it is 10 years. I don't know whether they are meaning that. What is the national mission for hydrogen targeted towards green hydrogen production and adoption? So these are the questions that were asked in IBPSPO bank interview. Now, candidates looking through this, we find questions are not easy. Questions are really tough only, and it is very difficult for us to predict also. If your examination is going to be in December or January, I suggest you read in detail about current affairs happening in October and November. Based on this question paper, we find there are no static GK questions, not many static GK questions, except that Sukanya Samriddhi, then CRAR limit and all. Static GK questions are very less, and the general knowledge questions, current affairs they ask are mostly related to last 2 months, not in the month in which it was conducted. For example, the November 30th examination did not have any questions related to November. So, in the next examinations, we can have questions that are related to happenings during November. So, please prepare for October, September, and November in detail and be ready to face the questions. Best wishes. Thank you. I am giving you as an attachment in the WhatsApp group. This material I am giving you as attachment in our WhatsApp group for paid students. Thank you. Yeah, that was those were the questions. Now I was showing you um,
If
I was showing you about this paper because we started doing computer knowledge. I have asked you people to study from 51 to 100. So please take your notebook and write down the question number and the answer. Yeah, please answer. Take from 53. I think not many questions will be there. Maximum 15 to 16 questions will be there under this. You can answer them. Then we can check the answers also. Please start doing it. And I suggest Ena Saha, you read the questions and also the answer choices. Wait for 15
Okay, sir.
seconds, mark the answer, then go for the next question.
Okay, sir. Question number 53. Which type of security is provided by HTTPS? Option A, TCP. Option B, TLS. Option C, SSL. And option D, PNC. And option E, all A, B, and C. Next question, question number 57. Adobe developed dash
That,
which allow means इस जगह पर कुछ फिलअप करना होगा, इसी वजह से मैंने कहा. Adobe developed which allow the document to be transmitted and stored without loss of formatting. Option are A, defragmentation. B, assembler document format. Assembly document format. C, filtering format. D, portable document format. And E, none.
yeah. See, when you read that 57, you can read like this. Adobe developed dash, which allows the document to be transmitted like that.
Okay.
Or you can say blank.
Okay.
Please mark the answer for 57. Now go to the next question.
Question number 62. The secondary storage device is needed to option A, perform arithmetic and logical operations. Option B, communication on a network. Option C, print output result. Option D, store large volumes of data that exceed the capacity of the main memory. And option E, none.
That was question number 62.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Then next one is 66. Computer virus is A, hardware. B, Windows tool. C, computer program. D, none of these. E, all of the above.
That was question number 66.
66. Next, question number 70. First boot sector virus is a computed B. Mind, C. Brain, D. Cloner, and E. None. Question number 74. The basic architecture of computer was developed by A. John von Neumann, B. Charles Babbage, C. Blaise Pascal, and D. Robert Noyce, C. None. Question number 78. This case converts first character of first word of selected sentence to capital. Options are A. Sentence, B. Upper, C. Toggle, D. Title, E. None. 81. By default, the top margin in the Word document is option A 1 inch, option B 2 inch, option C 3 inch, option D 1 by half inch, and option E none.
1.5 inch, not one by half. One and a
One and a
half.
half.
Hmm.
1.5 inch, and E none. Question number 84. You can use the following object create in MS Word in a web page. Options are auto shape, B. Bullets, C. Tables and charts, and D. All of these. E. None. 87. You can use the formula palette to A. Form, format cells containing numbers, B. Create and edit formula containing functions, C. Enter assumption data, D. Copy a range of cells, E. None. Which command lists the content of current directory of a disk? Option A. Copy, option B. Tree, option C. CD, option D. Dir, option E. None.
93.
When a customer makes an online hotel booking, the database is updated in A. Batch mode, B. Pseudo real time, C. Today, D. All of these, E. None. 96. Question number 96. Count command is used to A. Count the number of data field in an active database file. Count the number of data files which are active. Count the record. Option C. Count the record which are update. Option D. Count the number of record in an active database file. And option E. None.
Yes. Last question.
Question number 98. Special set of characters that computer associated with specific user identification is classified as option A, password, option B, identity code, option C, inquiry code, option D, dumb code, and option E, none.
That's I think it's totally how many
Sir, give
questions?
me five. Sir, give me
5.
5 minutes.
Yeah, yeah,
I have
yeah.
to mark.
Acha, you are not marked. Acha, acha. Please go through all of you. Mark the answers. 53, 57, 62, 66, 70, 74, 78, 81. Please mark 84, mark 87. Question number 90, 90, 93, 96, 98. So please take the answers. Please mark the answers. 53, Delhi. It's given on the screen. See the answers. These are the questions that were given to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Only 14 questions I have given. Vaishnav, have you marked the answers? Are you checking?
Yes, sir. I'm checking, sir.
Very good. Aswin Mani, please check the answers.
Yes, sir.
I think this will be easy for you because you are MCA boy.
Yes, sir.
How many marks have you scored out of 14? How many correct? Don't tell me about the wrong answers. How many were correct out of 14? Out of 14, how many have come out correctly? Shall I ask Saha first? Saha,
Yes, sir. I have completed only up to 90. I have completed, and between them, some question I have not done. I don't know the answer. Sir,
Hmm.
you can ask me.
How many answers
Okay.
you have marked
Sure.
correctly?
Acha. 53 I marked
No.
transport layer security.
Tell me number of questions you have answered correctly.
53, 57, 70, 74, 78, 81 and 90.
Only seven
All
questions.
questions are
Only 7 questions.
yes.
Okay, no problem. For you, computer is a new subject. No problem. Now, Vaishnav,
So my answers are correct. All answers are correct.
but other answers you have not answered, don't worry. Don't worry about it. Don't attempt wrong answers. Now we
Yes,
will
sir.
go to Vaishnav. Vaishnav, how many are correct?
Sir, 12 correct.
Excellent. Very happy. What is your postgraduate degree?
Physics.
MSc Physics. Okay,
Yes,
very
sir.
good. Then Aswin Mani, how many are correct out of 14?
Sir, 13 are correct.
Congrats. For you, Aswin Mani, the best thing is computer, you try to score full marks. English, you try to score at least 10 marks. Then other reasoning and maths, you can score at least 10 marks like that. And marketing, of course, we can't guess. GA also, we cannot guess what question they will ask. Try your luck. Good, very good. Thank you. I'll close this. Now I have to go to general awareness. General awareness. First of all, I should stop that now.